Hi folks, welcome to Dutchy Cooking. Here in the UK it's a bit of a tradition on a weekend to order a takeaway curry in. We order far too much. For 4 people we'll probably order enough for the whole street. So we start off with a pickled tray and poppadoms. We'll move on to a starter, something like an onion bhaji or a chicken chat, and then we move on to the main course, your curry and your rice. And don't forget, we always have to order that stodgy naan bread to go with it. So this is what we end up with, a lot left over. So today we're going to make a Naanzza. It's Dutch oven cooking, cast iron cooking, live fire cooking, or you're just here for the recipes. Don't forget to subscribe. So we're going to start off with a naan bread. Obviously this has already been pre-cooked. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to sprinkle the base with a bit of water. This will help stop it burning or crisping too quickly. Now it's time to make the Naanzza. So we've got our leftover sauce. This is a chicken bolty. Fortunately there's no meat left here, but just this sauce. So we're going to use this as the base to our Naanzza. I mean, pizza based sauces are tomato based, curry sauces are tomato based, so this should work good. Just going to try and get an even coating all over the naan bread. As I mentioned before, I didn't have any meat left over for my curry, so this is the nearest thing. This is pre-cooked tandoori chicken. I'm just going to arrange these pieces of chicken around the top of the naan bread. The next that we've got left over is the onion and tomato salad for the poppadoms. So we're going to sprinkle this on top. I'm putting this on top. I don't want it under the chicken because obviously this is the only bit that's not been cooked already. You can't have a pizza without cheese, so you can't have a Naanzza without cheese. This is just cheddar cheese. I'm going to sprinkle over the top. So there we have it. That's our Naanzza ready to cook. So I've got the Pit Boss Kamado. We're running at about 250 degrees here. So I'm just going to pop this onto the pizza stone. And then you'll let this cook. The pizza stone is actually running around about 300 degrees. So 5 minutes in. And that's our Naanzza cooked. So it's time to get into this Naanzza and cut a slice. You can hear the crisp of that. The base is nice and crispy, and it's just like a curry on a naan bread. So that's our Naanzza. If you like what we're doing here at Dutchy Cooking, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell.